Hey there everyone, and welcome to section 2 of our email marketing video training series, Email Marketing Step by Step, where we are going to teach you how to easily get started with email marketing the right way. From recommending you the best email marketing tools to showing you how to actually set up an email marketing campaign the easy way, we have designed this section with the intention of giving you the exact guidelines that you'll need to follow in order to create your first email marketing campaign faster than you would imagine it was possible to. Contents in this section include finding the right email marketing tool, the anatomy of a marketing email, creating a lead magnet, setting up your first email marketing campaign, setting up a squeeze page, sending traffic to your squeeze page. So let's start by solving the very first obstacle that you'll face, finding the right email marketing tool for you. Finding the right email marketing tool. With so many alternatives on the market, it can be tough to find the one that is right to fulfill your needs and goals without spending a small fortune on trying them all, one by one. But in this video, we are going to show you what are the best options available and why they stand out. Here are our top picks. MailChimp. We are going to start by recommending what is perhaps the easiest one to get started with, and it is, in fact, the one that we will be using to execute our email marketing tasks throughout this training. It is free to get started, and it offers its users a campaign builder that makes it easier to create campaigns that suit your message. MailChimp will also allow you to automate your email marketing efforts with pre-built marketing automation tools that will help you make room for easier to integrate strategies and to put your data to work with personalized campaigns and 3 advertising channels that you can leverage to reach new customers. Aweber. Aweber is a recognized email marketing platform that has helped lots of big and small businesses to find their audience, get more customers, and reach their goals. Its powerful features include marketing funnel automation, built-in HTML product promotion and newsletter email templates, high-converting sign-up forms, multiple integrations, list importing capabilities, email marketing tracking, and subscriber management options. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is one of the most beginner-friendly email marketing tools available on the market right now. Features such as professional customizable templates, automated email series, behavior-triggered messages, automated list management, and real-time tracking tools will let you send great-looking emails that drive big results in no time. GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing platform that describes itself as an all-in-one platform designed to help you grow your business because it offers you access to a complete suite of marketing channels and tools to complement your email marketing efforts. This complete marketing platform will let you use email marketing features that will allow you to grow your lists, increase conversions, and optimize audience engagement with beautifully designed email autoresponders, high-converting web forms, laser-sharp segmentation, and unique delivery tools. To top it off, it will also let you create and publish high-converting squeeze pages and promo pages the easy way with a drag-and-drop editor. You'll also be able to enhance your customer communications beyond email with a complete webinar marketing solution that will allow you to get more leads, conversions, and sales. Lastly, it will allow you to simplify your efforts by letting you plan, build, and manage individual customer journeys with marketing automation. ConvertKit. ConvertKit is another powerful email marketing platform that mostly serves professional bloggers, writers, authors, and dedicated online marketers. It is mainly designed to allow you to offer content upgrades with any sign-up forms and to manage autoresponder series for high-converting drip email campaigns. Some of its features include easy-to-embed, customizable opt-in forms that can help you to turn your casual readers into customers, a reporting dashboard that displays subscriber data and sign-up conversions, automated email workflows, drag-and-drop sequence builder, tag-based segmentation, and one-off broadcasts. Alrighty then, now that you've seen the best the market has to offer, make sure to pick the one that best suits your business goals as well as your personal needs. Next up, we will be showing you how a marketing email is structured, so make sure to tune in.